Hey guys, what is up? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone on iOS 16.4. Do you want to know how to turn on voice isolation on iOS 16.4? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Okay, to begin, you have to make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 16.4 or else this won't work. So to start, you have to be in a call. Once in a call, scroll down from the top of the screen to open the control center. On the upper right, you'll see mic mode. Tap on it. On the next screen, there are three options: standard, voice isolation, and wide spectrum. Tap and select voice isolation to enable the feature. And there you have it. You have now activated voice isolation for your iOS 16.4 device. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.